everybody, AD Jackson 330 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Serenity May VBKit. So let's get started. So this month Tiffany included an inventory card for us which just breaks down all of the things that are inside the Serenity VBKit, and this is a designer collab kit with the Spirit Bin Co, so you'll see a lot of their art featured throughout the kit. And this month we didn't get any journaling cards, but the back of the inventory card has this nice little pattern and illustration on it. So if you're like me and you like to make the most out of your package, including the packaging, you can cover up the text at the bottom with some washi or stickers, and then either do a washi dashboard on the back or lay down some adhesive and layer on some paper, and then you've got yourself a nice little dashboard. And first up out of the kit we have this month's sticky note pad, which has a little llama plunger on it and gunmetal foiling. And next up we have a pack of adhesive pockets with 3 different sizes. So our first up is the small, and that's got a little plant mister. And then the medium one has a potted plant. And then the large one has a shelf with a couple of plants and a quote box that says, "Girl, you already have what it takes." And all of these do feature gunmetal foiling too. I think my favorite of the 3 is going to be this one, but all of the neutral shades of these are so pretty. And the shapes are cut out for the actual pockets here, so they will stick over whatever you put in here. And to use them, you just peel them off of the backing, and then you can layer them on your dashboards or page markers or even inside of your planner covers. Like this one, it will fit on the weeks. This one I'm not sure about. It might, but it'll be a tight squeeze, so I'll have to test that one. And then obviously this one won't fit some of the larger type planners, but just to keep like your die cuts or sticky notes or task cards and things like that close to you in your planner. Next up, we've got a new product to the kits. We've got this pack of washi sticker sheets. So we've got 8 sheets here to go through. First up, we have this one of the outline shapes, and I'll just give you a close-up of all of the different ones there. These would be really good for laying out a checklist for the week because you've got the 7 different ones here. And then you get the same patterns, but these are solid shapes, so maybe more for like layering. And then the same 2 sheets, you get those in 4 different colors. Here's the next one. I think we've all seen the minimal planner trend taking over the planner community, especially on Instagram. So these have a lot of functionality with them. You can use them however you want, layering, checklist, whatever. So you've got the kind of grayish color, a light gray, a peachy nude, and then a charcoal color. And then here, let's see if I can catch it where you can see the different shapes that are cut out in there. So I'm really excited to see what everyone's going to do with these. I myself have kind of been more of a deco planner, like mixed with functional, but I love all of the decorative stickers and things like that. So it's going to be a fun challenge this month to switch things up. I'm excited about it. And another new product for this month's kit, we have this set of transparent page flags. And I love this pattern that it's on, and that it's on one of these like type of washi cards, kind of thick plastic. Y'all remember when those were included with the kits? So you want to peel off this protective film that's on the back, and then you get 5 shades of transparent page flags. And I will take one of those off, layer it here on the logo just so you can see kind of what level of transparency you're dealing with here with the darker ones. So that is the darkest, and then we'll go to the other end and take this kind of beige nude, and then that is what that one looks like. So these have been all over the planner community as well. So if you already have jumped on that planner train, then you've got some more to add to your collection. And if not, then this is a great way to give out a new trend a try. And this month's washi set, we get a skinny and a standard size. So let's go ahead and open those up and roll them out. First up, we have our standard size roll, which has a repeating pattern, this little line of Polaroids that says "You Glow Girl," and it does have the gunmetal foiling. And then for our skinny roll, we have this kind of paint splatter abstract print, and it has the foiling speckled throughout. Next up, let's take a look at this month's stickers, and we'll start with the deco sheet. So we've got some balloons and cake, grocery bag, washer and dryer, cups, 4 pins, lots of great deco this month. Sorry, the lighting is kind of off in here. The foil is not catching, but it all does have the gunmetal foiling on here as well. And then for our sticker book, we've got the kit date and title here at the top, along with the designer collab info. And then starting off with our first sheet of full boxes, I'll give you a little close-up of those. And then we've got the sheet of circle icons, labels, bill stickers, And then another page of full boxes with some quarter boxes down at the bottom. And a full sheet of half boxes. Give you a little close-up of those patterns. And then next up we have the headers and labels. And then the scalloped bars over here, which are so pretty. And then we've got a full sheet of deco. Oh, I like these lettering boards, or letter boards, quote boxes. I don't ever know what to call those things, but they're really pretty. So the first one says, if you never try, you'll never know. And the second one says, actually I can. And then we've got 2 sets of date covers, some arrows and tabs. And then our flags and checklist and banners. And then the mini kit. Oh my goodness, I love this. This grid washi strips. Oh, that's my favorite part. My eyes just immediately jumped to that. Sorry, yeah, the mini week sheet. So great for mini planners or just using as tiny deco in regular planners. And then, as always, on the back, you've got a breakdown of all of the different sheets and stickers that are on them. Next up, we have a notebook included this month, and this is a week-size notebook, so it'll fit Impression weeks, Hobonichi weeks, and this simple cover art is just so stunning. I love that. And it is blank on the inside, so lots of ways to use this. You can do a bujo, make your own layouts, do notes or journals or lists. I mean, the possibilities are endless with this one. This month also included a craft slim folder, so we've got the villabeauTIFFul foiled logo on the front, plain on the back, and then on the inside, on the left, you've got a large pocket and a small pocket. And then on the right, you've got this envelope with a string loop closure to keep all of your things in. And you can keep it as is, very simple. You can throw some washi and stickers on here, some decals, and really just decorate it however you want if you're not into this super simple trend. So yeah, don't be afraid of that. You know, make it your own and personalize it. Lots of great uses for this. And as an amazing addition this month, we also get a week's planner cover. So you've got this really nice neutral grid pattern on the outside with the VB logo on the back. And on the inside, you get this really nice crisp white with a Dalmatian print, which is one of my favorite patterns ever. On the inside here, on the left, you've got a pocket. On the right, you've got a larger pocket or room to slide in like the back of your notebook. You've got a pin loop here to hold your VB pins, and then you get 4 elastics. You can use it to hold your Impression or Hobonichi weeks, your craft slim folder from this kit, your blank notebook from this kit. You can print out some inserts to go in here. I mean, it's just so nice. And then it does come with the elastic piece to use for the closure. As you can see, you've got a little hole here right in the center. So all you want to do is take the little metal piece here from your elastic and push it through from the outside in. Now, if you have trouble pushing this through, one thing that I have learned to do is to kind of put like a hard surface underneath it and push it through here, grab it and pull. Now it is a little tight fit, so you might have to work with it for a second, or it could just be me having trouble with it. Okay, so once you get it through here, you don't want to pull it all the way through, so be careful with that. You want to pull this back so it gets nice and taut there. Alright, you can move this out of the way, and then you've got your elastic closure, which just fits right around the cover like that. And just as a little demonstration, we can take the blank notebook, and you can do it in the front, the back, the middle, however you want to. Just slide your elastic right in there. It'll hold it like that. And then for the craft slim folder, same thing, just put the elastic right there in the middle, close it up, and then you still got these other 2 to put your planners or whatever else you want in there. Close this up, and I mean, bam, basically you have a whole new setup all with one kit. That is amazing. And I know everyone's always so excited to see the monthly kit pin, so here we have the Serenity VB pin. We've got a beige nude paint color with white logo, black hardware, and an all-black crystal mix. So a very neutral, modern, chic, and stylish VB pin to add into your collection. And lastly, I'm going to be flipping through this month's paper pack. So each month on the 20th, the VBKit pre-orders go live, and there are 2 listings. You can either get the basic kit or the basic kit plus the paper pack. Now that means that you'll get everything that was included in the basic kit, but you'll also get this pack of coordinating papers that matches the theme and colors and patterns, all of that to go with it. And that includes 4 sheets of double-sided 8.5 by 11-inch cardstock. I mean, look at that, it's so pretty. And you also get 2 sheets of specialty paper. So those 2 sheets for this month. These vellums, we've got the leafy print and this bold geometric print. And if you're unsure about what you would do with the papers, don't really have any ideas, there are a ton of projects from the VB design team available on the VB blog. Lots of inspiration and ideas for ways to use these. And here are the digitals for this month's VB kit. You get all of these clip arts and papers to use over and over again. They're only included with pre-orders though, so don't miss out on next month's. They go live every month on the 20th. All the VB links can be found in the description below, so you can check out the kit info page, the Facebook group, the shop, the design team blog, all of that and more. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or I'd love to know what your favorite part of this month's VB kit was. Hope y'all enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.